Hello everybody, today I'll show you the clipping plane tool from Rhino and how to make best use of it. For this I'm gonna be using a 3D model mockup of a hospital I designed it a while ago. A clipping plane basically slides your model at a given specific reference plane. Let me show you how. You just go to the command line and type clipping plane, then you draw your plane and you have it. You can cut on your geometry like this. As you move it, you will see that you are cutting in all your 3D model. And if you would like to change the direction, to flip it, you can go to the properties window, and where it says flip direction, just click there and you have the opposite direction. I would suggest you to create a different layer for all your clipping planes just to control the visibility, because I'm pretty sure you will be having a lot of them. On the properties window, you can also turn on and off the clipping planes. Now I'm in perspective view and this box is checked, and if I uncheck it, then you don't see the cut anymore. The same happens for the other viewports, like let's say here in front view, I just check it and then I see the cut. You can also exclude or include elements, and I show you how now. So I have these two cases now. If I select my blue clipping plane and I activate it, I'm cutting through everything. That's clear. But now if I select this other clipping plane, which I painted in purple, and I activate it, I'm only cutting through the rest but not the glass. So the glass is staying there. That's because I am excluding the glass of the cut. I can also exclude other elements. Let's say I want to exclude the frames, then I press Ctrl and you see they are both marked in blue. I press OK and I'm now excluding the framing and the glass, you see here. Now let's reverse this. Instead of excluding, let's include. Now I'm just cutting the framing and the glass, you see here. So this is very useful. You can also work with sets of clipping planes. For instance here, if you have two with opposite directions and a gap in between, when you activate it, the result looks like this. You get a cutting slider. And this one you can use to inspect your projects, maybe see what's happening in the interior and so on. I usually work with a second set, which is giving me information about the vertical cuts, like this. Remember, if you want to see independently what's happening in each viewport, you can just go to Properties window and check and uncheck these boxes, depending where you want to see the cut. Another cool thing of clipping planes is that you can also create a clipping box out of it. Let me show you how. You have first to create a reference box, let's say 5 by 5 by 5, and then draw a clipping plane on it. Deactivate and create copies of it using the mirror command until you get a box. Then flip all of them in the same direction towards the interior. Then group them, activate, and now you have a clipping box that you can use to browse around your complex projects. You can also have a really nice 3D section drawings, and for editing the lines and fields, just type options, then select your view mode, let's say shaded mode, and in objects you can change the colors and the thickness of the cutting lines, like this. Let's make this one blue. Okay. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and take care. Ciao ciao.